Hey everyone, Carson here, and it's time for your weekly Openhaus Pro product update. This week is for those of you who yourself or your clients might have a Shopify store that you want to connect with Openhaus. So mostly product pop-up updates this week, but they're pretty significant, and we think it'll be a game changer for connecting Shopify with Openhaus and Matterport. Because basically, to summarize the changes or updates this week, we made it so, first of all, variants are now supported. A lot of people have been asking about variants. And so now the products that you sync with Openhaus, the variants or the different options that those products have will be made available and usable inside of the product pop-up, which is important. And then number two is Shopify Checkout support. So now, instead of just linking to the product page or using Openhaus's checkout, you can actually just connect directly to Shopify and have that customer or that user be taken to Shopify to complete their purchase. So I'll just show you those two things here real quick. So the first one that I mentioned was, let me move my face over here. The first one that I mentioned was variant support. And if I click here on a product here, you can see that on our product pop-up, we have this new little drop down, and it says 6x9 right here. But if I click for this rug, you see I can actually change the size that I want. I can choose the variant or the options that I'm looking for. So this would apply to basically any product. If you had t-shirts or different chairs, etc., and they have different options like size or color, those options would all appear right here now, which is pretty nice. The other thing, after looking at this product pop-up, that I forgot to mention, along with variants, is actually having product media carousels. So inside of this image, or inside of this product pop-up, you can see I have different images that I can scroll through now. Before, we actually just only had it available to have one product image in these pop-ups, but when we sync with your Shopify, or if you upload a CSV of products and you have multiple images inside of that CSV, it will actually create images for all those images that are synced, and you can have a little image carousel right here in your product pop-up. So what I'm going to do is I'll choose a size here, 9x12, and I'll click add to cart, and then what I'll do is I'll click on this product, and this is just for demo purposes. You might notice that that's not the right product. We just tagged a product in this home, but anyways, you can see this product here, it doesn't have any variants. It's just this harbor chair. But if I scroll to the right, I still do have these different product images that I can look at. I don't have any other options though, so I'm not going to choose a variant, but I'll just click add to cart, and I'll close the pop-up. And now you can see we have our little cart over here. Click on the cart, and you'll notice, I don't know, you may have noticed our product, shopping cart in the past, how usually it would just kind of have a link to go purchase those things on the website. Well, because this store uses Shopify, basically what it's going to do is it's going to create a cart on Shopify using this information here. So first of all, before I switch, I could remove or add more items to my cart from right here, but I'm just going to click proceed to checkout and watch what happens. You can see it's taking me to a new website, austinavenue.shop up here, and you can see I'm taken directly to this Shopify checkout where I can complete my purchase. I have the 9x12 rug automatically added to my cart. I have the harbor chair here, and that customer is just taken to the Shopify checkout where I can buy these. This is really nice for a few reasons. One is it keeps all the data in the purchase and order, everything inside of that user's Shopify account. Whereas before, if they were to purchase through Openhaus, there would need to be some data syncing between the two, or exporting orders and uploading them to Shopify. The other thing is that this allows for kind of a seamless brand experience. So if this customer were to purchase via this 3D tour and then go purchase again, just directly from the website, it'll feel obviously like the same experience because we're using the same checkout functionality. So that's basically the update this week. Just really focused on products, getting some of these new product features and updates that you've been asking about ready for you. And we are really, really excited. I know I've alluded to it in a couple of past videos, but we're working hard on some, we think, game-changing features for Matterport service providers. That'll give you a lot of customization and options for your 3D tours. So stay updated. Our goal for you guys, for basically our core group of people in this audience, is to have you be able to start testing some of those features, which we call themes and projects, in early December. So thank you so much for your support and staying in tune with our product updates. Let us know if you have any questions, or if you have a customer or user that wants to use these commerce and Shopify features. We'd love to help you set those up. Have an awesome Thanksgiving, happy holidays, and we'll see you later.